Hi everyone. In this video, I will try to cover my PhD interview experience at CSIR Hyderabad and NCBS Bengaluru. So all of you will get the call letter for the interview. You have already got your call letter from the respective institutes. There will be 2 rounds of interview. So a first round of interview will consist of 15 to 20 minutes and second round will be consist of 30 to 40 minutes. So your questions, you may think that how many interviewers will be present in the interview. So I am saying that you can assume that in the NCBS there will be 3 interviewers in the first round and 3 will be in the second round. So in the first round, the interviewers can be from any background. They may be from neuroscience, they may be from cell bio, deep bio, they may be from model bio, they may be from ecology, evolution, and maybe from structural biology or biochemistry. From biochemistry background, they can be present. And in second round, there will be interviewers from specialized background. Like if you have written your SOP on cell bio, deep bio, then there will be interviewers like Raj Radar, Arjun Guha, Tina Mukherjee, and they will be present. If you have written your SOP on neurobio, then interviewers like Hiya Ghosh will be present there. So how many seats are present? You have seen that in the for the primary round, they have called almost 170 to 180 students. So maximum, in case of NCBS, maximum there will be 30 students. It may vary from 20 to 30 students will be selected after second round. And in case of CSIR Hyderabad, there will be maximum 20 students, minimum 10 to 15 students will be present. The funniest thing is in case of NCBS, there will be there will be no waiting list, but in case of CSIR Hyderabad, you will get waiting list. So if you are in the top 1 or 2 in the waiting list of CSIR Hyderabad, you had a good chance in joining CSIR Hyderabad. So the most important part is what type of questions are asked in the interview. For those who are appearing in their first interview, they may be perplexed or they may be. So what type of questions are asked in the PhD interview? So in case of NCBS, during the first round, and it will cover 3 or 4 topics. At first, the first interviewer will ask you to give your intro, and then he or she will ask from your internship experience or any lab experience. If you have any lab experience, then that will be advantageous for you. And they will start from your favorite topic. If you have done any internship at any institute at a particular lab, then they will start asking you questions from the research area of that lab. And if you do not done any type of internship, so don't be timid or don't get frightened, because internship experience doesn't count, but having internship experience is advantageous. So first interviewer will ask you from your favorite topic. They will ask almost 3 or 4 questions. After that, they will turn to the second interviewer. In the second interviewer, as I said earlier, that in the first round, interviewers from different background may be present. So the second interviewer, if they are from neurobio or ecology or evolution, they will ask a question from their favorite topic. And if you are able to answer correctly their question, then the third interviewer will ask you from any general topic. It may happen that they will ask you from some basic graph like questions based on graph, like they can ask you to draw the function graph, rational function, log function, radial function, and many type of volumetric formula you can remember, like volume of cell, surface area of cell, volume of the room. And these type of questions are asked. So the first round will consist maximum 20 minutes. If you are able to answer all the questions correctly, then it will get over within 10 to 12 minutes. And in the second round, it will take more time, almost 30 to 40 minutes. Last year, in my case, it was almost for 45 minutes. But if you are able to answer all the questions correctly, then it can get over within 30 minutes. So what type of questions are asked in the second round? Second round is the most important round. So after first round, they will qualify almost 80 to 90 students. So after second round, there will be almost 20 to 30 or maybe 34, 33 students finally selected. Second round is the most important. It will totally based on your SOP. So at first, the first interviewer will ask you question from your SOP. How you are familiar with your SOP topic, and they will ask first of all, they will ask basic questions, then they will go further deep into the topic. If you are able to answer them correctly, then they will not stick to one topic. They will try to ask you questions from the different topic. So don't be timid, and you should have a good approach. If you do not know the answer, don't get timid. If you show right approach, if you show positive approach, you may be selected. So after first interviewers, basic questions or some experimental based questions, second interviewer will ask you from the experimental design part of your SOP. So they will ask basic. First of all, they will ask basic question. After that, they can go deeper into the experimental design, and they will ask question. They will ask not difficult, moderately difficult question. I hope you can answer those questions. Interviewers may ask for biostatistics questions, or may ask you from enzyme kinetics or biophysics related problem. Like they can ask you from the GFP, YFP, this kind of rate, fluorescent microscopy. These are some favorite topics of the interviewers. If you have wrote your SOP on deep bio, then they can ask questions from the transcriptomics. So go through the website of Tina Mukherjee. So if she is present in the interview, then she will obviously ask you from the transcriptomics. So best of luck.